Ate Arlene, happy birthday. Yun, miss na kita. Sana magkita tayo hopefully next year. Pag pwede na ako mag-visit dyan. But for the meantime, sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo today with your family dyan sa Japan. Ayun. Wala si Kate dito, so yun. Hindi ko siya kasama. So maybe next time, sabay kami mag-birthday greeting sa'yo. So I love you so much and I miss you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Arlene. I love you.
Happy birthday, Arlene. Naway maging masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Enjoy na lang natin ang buhay natin ngayong senior na tayo. Senior ka na rin.
Happy birthday, tita. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Lola Arlene. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. I love you.
Yes, happy birthday, Arlene.
Happy birthday, Arlene. Enjoy mo lang yung mga scout mo.
Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! I love you, sis! Happy birthday! Take care!
Happy birthday, Mama Arlene. Open the door. Mama, open the door.
Mama Loli, お誕生日おめでとう。
Happy birthday, Mama Loli. I like you.
Happy birthday, Mami Loli. Love you.
Hello, Ate Arlene. Sa iyong special na araw na ngayon, na-message na kita, ganun din. Hope so na maging ayos ang yung kalagayan, yung health, and more blessing. Salamat sa lahat, sa mga tulong, at ganun din sa aking pag-aaral noon, para sa aking ate na mataray pero with a good heart. Maraming salamat. Ingat ka lagi. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Enjoy your big day.
Happy birthday, Arlene. Ingat ka palagi diyan. Love you. Happy birthday, Arlene.
In the morning light, when the world awakes, I see your smile, and my heart just breaks for all the love you've given and all that we share. I promise you I'll always be there. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. Through the trials of life and the dreams we chase,